Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exposing one of the most talked about hacker tools out there, the Flipper Zero. From NFC and Bluetooth scams to car fob replay attacks and alarm bypassing, this little device has made headlines worldwide. But what's hype? What's real? And how do you protect yourself? Let's break it down.
Flipper Zero Shoe, a pocket-sized hacking multi-tool. Looks like a Tamagotchi, but inside it has RFID, NFC tools, read, clone, emulate access cards, and tags, subgiates radio, interacts with remotes, car fobs, garage doors, infrared, control TVs, AC units, some cameras, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi add-ons, scan, connect, or disrupt devices, popular for ethical hacking, testing security, and learning wireless tech, but in the wrong hands, used for scams and theft. Cut to B-roll of Flipper Zero plus stock images of NFC tags, remotes, and locks. NFC, near field communication. Scammers plant malicious NFC tags on posters, gas pumps, or restaurant tables. When you tap with your phone, it opens a fake website, phishing or malware. Flipper can clone and emulate these tags in seconds. Bluetooth tricks. With add-ons, Flipper scans for open Bluetooth devices, can send fake pairing requests, trick you into connecting, can push fake update notifications via Bluetooth beacons, steal credentials, push malware, or hijack device connections. Lesson: disable NFC and Bluetooth when not needed, and never trust random pop-ups. Many alarms and older car fobs use fixed codes. Flipper records the disarm unlock signal. Later, it replays the code and the system unlocks. Works on older cars, cheap wireless alarms, modern encrypted rolling codes. Visual, simple, capture, save, replay, unlock animation. Modern fobs use rolling codes while changes every press. Flipper can help with roll jam attacks, jam the signal when the driver presses lock. Capture the code without forwarding it. Driver presses again. Attacker saves second code, forwards first. Car locks. Driver thinks it's fine. Attacker saves an unused code to unlock later. Only works on weak rolling code implementations. Newer systems with AES encryption resist this. Some wireless alarms and cameras use the same weak radio signals. Flipper can replay disarm codes. Spam IR commands to blind certain cameras. Disrupt sub-GHz feeds with jamming. High-end security, harder to bypass, but cheap DIY systems cheat at risk. Car thefts reported using replay relay kits, sometimes with flippers. NFC scams spotted on public transport, ATMs, and stores. Governments in places like Brazil and Canada have restricted Flipper Zero imports due to misuse. Quick defenses: use Faraday pouches for car keys. Disable passive entry if possible. Pick alarms with encrypted rolling codes. Double-check NFC stickers before tapping. Keep Bluetooth NFC off in public if not needed. Watch for jammed remotes. Could mean someone is trying to capture codes.
So can Flipper Zero unlock every car and disable every alarm? No, but it can exploit weak and outdated systems. And that's why awareness is so important. Protect yourself, upgrade your security, and don't get caught by these old tricks. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more cybersecurity breakdowns, and let me know in the comments. Do you think Flipper Zero should be banned, or is it just a tool? I'll see you in the next one.